Hey everybody, welcome back to episode 5 of the Offhand Challenge series, and this time I'm going to attempt this Doit brand 40mm laminated padlock. And I'm going to start out with bottom of the keyway, and I'm going to try to single pin pick it first. And there we go. We have the single pin pick open. Now, to be fair, this is a very cheap, low tolerance lock, and I didn't feel much, but it still counts, I think. And so, for the next, this lock is also rakeable, so we're going to give that a shot. Maybe. Let's see. I'm not really getting anywhere with the rake in here. Trying light tension. It's hard to feather the tensioner in this hand while I hold it. Well, this one's not working out so well. Well, we got it single pin picked bottom of the keyway, so maybe there'll be a part 2 on the left hand challenge series for this one when I can get it raked. Alright, thank you. See you in the next one.